Today I'm going to talk about crimp screws, how they work, and how to use them. I sell crimp screws, and someone asked me recently to do a demonstration on how they work, which was a good question. It's just never occurred to me. I've been using them for so long, I didn't think about other people not knowing how to use them. So what I do before I use a set of crimp screws every time is just put a little bit of oil on the screw part, because after a while that will dry out and then it won't work properly. And I don't know why I put it up there, because you don't need it up there. You pretty much only screw with the bottom third. The rest of it is just for handle. And if you noticed while I was talking to you, I was screwing this down to the bottom. You pretty much always want it at the bottom of where the threads are. And now I've separated the two pieces. And I'm going to stick this in here and wrap the leather corners up over that block. Now I'm going to drop this U-shaped piece. I'm going to drop it down over. Drop it down over the block. Push it down tightly, and now I'll start turning the handle. And if it's got it on there properly, I can feel this tension coming up because it's locked here. As you turn it, it just locks, the U part locks over the block and pulls that leather tightly up and out. That's what the crimp screw is designed to do, is just pull this leather out. Okay, to take it off, I'm going to loosen it just a bit, position my thumbs right under the U here, and then just whack it with my hand and it'll just pop right out. Now to release, set my thumbs under there, loosen it a bit, whack it.